Hello guys, today I am back with another video with continuing with Geography of India by Periyar publication. As you can see, written by Arvind Kumar. This is the book you can see by Periyar publication. These are the front page. Author Arvind Kumar. You can see I have bought in 179 rupees at MRP. You can see this book. And now come on its content. You can see these are the chapters. Around 350 pages are in this book. Around 350 pages are in this book. You can see there are 19 chapters with environmental issues with in appendix. It has human geography as well as physiogeography, climatology. But in this book, climatology is very short and physiography also. It is mostly concerned with economic geography and human geography. If you want to go with this book, then you can refer for economic geography and human geography, basically only for GS purpose. It is not for optional. You can see this is introduction chapter, and now I am on the Indian physiographical region. You can see this is book very precise. It does not having any extra material to remove. You can refer directly and you don't need to make notes of it. As I am also aspirant, I am also not making notes. I am just reading over it and just directly revising these books, but continuously referring with NCERT. You can see these are the rivers of India, peninsular India drainage system. Drainage system, we are going with drainage system. Now it is climatology, as I am telling you. Very short and very precise. And one point I want to tell you about, that it has one plus point because of which I have purchased, that it has handmade diagrams. As you can see, the diagram is fully handmade, and whatever is written in this, it is fully written by hand, not at all book material. You can see guys, now Indian soils, very simply written and very precisely written and very helpful for prelims purpose specifically. Agriculture, major crops of India, you can see. And plus point, it has all revolution of India, basically green revolution, you can see. Plus it has white revolution, blue revolution, white revolution, you can see, blue revolution, you can see. Mostly it covers important part. These are the marine resources. You can see this is, I am going with economic geography. The diagrams are very precisely written. You can see this book. So you can go with this book. So this is Indian population. Basically there is only single chapter for human geography, as I am telling you. Indian population only, this chapter. It is around 30 or 40 pages chapter, which is very useful for mains as well. You can see this guys. And it has covered vastly NCERT also. This is appendix, in which environmental issues are there. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like my video, please do subscribe, do share and do comment, and if needed, please give me suggestion. Thank you so much guys.